Hi everyone, my name is Denise and I'm with Designs by Denise. I also own and operate Sun Scenic Florals, and my YouTube page is Let Your Creativity Shine. Now, I've been working on opening this for over a year, and I have some background in working with flowers, and I love to work with flowers and crafting. I work more with silks and dries. And I've just recently learned a little bit about deco mesh. I've been on doing YouTube and watching all these videos from all these fantastic creators. So today I thought I'd do my first video. I haven't done a live yet, so it will come once I get comfortable doing videos. So just bear with me. Be kind. Let's get started. So we're going to do like a floral grapevine, and right now, and what I did is I already started it, so I've got deco mesh on the back around the outside. I like doing things a little different, so, and then I had this, I attached, this is like almost bird on a wind. And then I do have some eggs that I have to grab, but I do have some little eggs that we can put in on the nest as well. And then for the greenery and the floral, we're going to go with, I have one of these little sprays. They're both the same, but one's a little shorter than the other. So I thought we'll put those around. So they kind of go like that. I don't know if I'll do it like that. See, like this. Or I might just have it so that they go the same way. Oh, maybe that looks better. Then I won't have that. But I also have these a bunch of eucalyptus. They're like a plastic, but they're very nice. Like they're, I like them. So I got those, and then I also have these, and they're Vic makes them. But the floral, the eucalyptus, and this little bunch of greenery. If you guys don't know, I'll put a link at the bottom of the in the video. Wreaths of Joy. I've bought some really beautiful stuff from Wreaths of Joy, and they're out of Philadelphia in the United States. And yeah, so we got these. So I'm going to throw some of those in there as well. So now I think what we're going to do is we're going to get I'm going to try and get you guys down. We're back. So I've got this all set up now. So now we're going to take this mushroom. I'm going to trim him right there. Put some glue on him. And we're going to put him right here. And not even half, I might have to just take this whole thing off. And just stick some glue. There we go. I'll just put them like that. I'll just stick on there. There we go. Got it kind of tucked underneath here a little bit. There. So that's how he looks. Okay. So now, okay, so let's get some of this greenery on here, because I'm thinking I can have some underneath here coming out. Okay, next one. I'm going to do the same. These can be pushed up. I'll push this one up a little bit more. I'll bring it down. Okay. I'll make that one a little shorter. And we're going to stick them right there. So it kind of goes like that. There we go. So now I'm just going to keep putting it on here until it goes about right there. Make sure you spread it out. Now I live in Mission, BC, British Columbia, Canada. So just trying to see, you know, I mean, like I see a lot of creators from the U.S. or across the U.S. Like in Canada, we do have some, but not like I know there's some in my area, but I don't see a lot. Aside from Marketplace, you get the odd person posting wreaths and that, but the biggest one, you know, is all the wreaths and that. And I like to do a variety of things, you know, hence let your creativity shine. So whether some people like it, whether some people don't like it, like this for example is totally different than what I've seen out there. So, you know, some people might not like it and some people might. So I'm going to place this guy in here. And then I'll probably put, I got 2 more stems of the eucalyptus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring him down like this. No, actually I'm going to have him go like this. So, let's see. I want to make sure. I can always, yeah, I can glue this guy in after with the glue gun. Just have to plug him in. So do that. So I have a couple little straps, so I can probably put that guy like that. Make sure you get the eucalyptus, and then this guy, I'm going to turn him. So if you have little sprays like this, make sure you always like spread it out to how you like it. And you can always adjust once you get it on your wreath form. It's not a, you know. So this guy is, I'm going to have them going both the same way. Just because of the nest. I glued this one in because I know I can get him in pretty easy. I can see it like that. There we go. So, these guys out here, I might have to add some more eucalyptus over here. There we go. Spider webs. Lots of spider webs. Okay, so I'm going to take some of this little spray. Like there's three bunches in one of these, so, and you can probably split them up, you know. But so I'm thinking I'm going to put some here, a bunch here. Probably I'll put 2 there. So I'll put one like this. So I kind of like goes into the nest, kind of over the nest. I was really fortunate when I was getting everything ready. I was able to come across here in Mission on Marketplace. A local home-based florist. She did everything. She did fresh flowers, everything. But I basically would rather just do silks and drieds. If I do any fresh flowers, it'll be for a special occasion, or So I think what I'm gonna do, because I've got this here, like this, right? I don't know if you can see that. So I got that space down there, but I'm thinking what I might do is I have this little butterfly. And I might stick him. I'll stick him on something, but might put him there. And then I have to keep the window area open. I might stick some. I have to fill this in around here, so I had to tuck all this guys in so you don't see it. Okay, so now I'm going to take this little bird. I have to kind of hold this so I can see how the nest is going to look if I have to find a smaller nest. Oh, that's going to look alright. I'm going to tuck them in more this way. And then I'll put this bird on there. Okay. So, all I'm going to do is stick this in there. Right? And then we're going to stick them on here. Oh, that's hot. Let's stick them like that. There we go. Now I do have these little blue eggs. So I'm just going to take a couple, put a little bit of glue on them, and I'm just going to stick them on there. So we'll do like that. And then the bird, here, and then have the butterfly. And this guy's kind of funky. So anytime you're cutting anything, cut it at an angle so that you can get it in a lot better. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide him in here, like this, maybe. There we go. And I'll probably put some eucalyptus around it, maybe. Okay. There we go. Maybe. Okay. Okay. So, I'm gonna throw some of these little guys in and around. Down in here. Okay, that's everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's my first video, like I said before, and I'm new at this, so little stutters here and there, and trying to get the words out. But once I get used to it, I'm sure it'll be a lot better. I'll leave all my links in the description.